Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2005 Victory NESS Vegas, with 20,265 miles, passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with an aftermarket exhaust, engine guard, aftermarket seat, oil cooler cover, saddlebags, front turn signals, and side-mounted plate bracket. With a custom design, the NESS has a uniquely stylish attitude. The NESS Vegas is powered by a 91 cubic inch engine that puts 70 horsepower and 87 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. It has a seat height of 25.7 inches and a dry weight of 617 pounds. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please review the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.